Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Chrome and OS compatibility. This matters because shortcut controls vary by platform. Once done, back up settings and extensions so you can revert if needed. Next, open Chrome and type Chrome//settings/keyboard shortcuts to jump straight to keyboard customization. You will also keep an extension tab open. Some solutions require an extension. Make sure to run Chrome with admin privileges on Windows or enable full permissions on Mac OS when prompted. These steps let you change system-level or browser-level shortcuts safely. You now edit shortcuts inside Chrome. Open Chrome//settings/keyboard shortcuts and click each entry, then choose Not Set or a harmless key combo. Once done, install an extension like shortkeys when a built-in control is insufficient. Configure rules to block or remap keys, giving priority to the extension. For Mac OS users, make sure to remove conflicting system shortcuts via System Settings, right arrow keyboard, right arrow shortcuts, so Chrome changes take effect. If you use multiple finish by restarting Chrome and testing the keys on several sites so you confirm the desired behavior. If a shortcut still fires, disable extensions one by one to spot conflicts. Once identified, reconfigure or remove that extension. Make sure to check OS-level shortcuts again, because system overrides can re-enable behavior. If nothing works, create a fresh Chrome profile or reset settings. This is a last resort, so restore from your backup if needed. A quick troubleshooting tip: try incognito with extensions off to narrow the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.